Steps to increase subscribers. Create compelling content. Produce high-quality, engaging content that adds value to your audience. Consistent posting schedule. Establish a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Optimize video, thumbnails, and titles. Eye-catching thumbnails and descriptive titles can increase click-through rates. Use playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to encourage users to watch more of your content. Promote on social media. Share your videos on various social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with others. Partner with other content creators for cross-promotion to tap into each other's audiences. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage discussions to build a community around your channel. Offer incentives. Consider running giveaways or offering exclusive content to incentivize subscription. Optimize channel SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability. Create a channel trailer. Introduce new visitors to your content with a compelling channel trailer that showcases your best work. Remember, building a subscriber base takes time, so be patient and stay consistent with your efforts.